Hello, it's Charlotte here, and Hev is being really antisocial on her phone. Why are you covering your chin?
Because I don't want my double chin.
She has such bad double chin problems. It is so funny. When you look at her graduation pictures, they were all really chinny because our auntie kept taking them from a really low angle because she's really short and a complete technophobe, and it's so funny, and we always make fun of the double chin. And at the moment she's being a complete hermit.
I've been downstairs and made dinner. It's just simmering.
God. Look at the state of that.
Does my hair almost look blue to you? I dyed it last night and it almost, to me, looks blue. It definitely dyed a lot darker than I was expecting. I used L'Oreal Preference in medium brown, but it doesn't look very medium brown to me. I normally use Nice and Easy, but I didn't have any in my colour when I went to Boots, so I got this one. It's gone very dark, so yeah. Today's Friday and I'm going back to Sheffield today, which I'm really excited about. I feel like I haven't been in Sheffield for years. That's actually quite true. The last time I was in Sheffield was in July for my sister's graduation, so it's been a long time coming. I'm going for my mate's birthday, so I'll decide whether or not to take my camera along to that, because I won't take it out because I'll lose it because I'm terrible when I'm drunk. So yeah. Good morning, guys. It's Sunday. Oh, there's a spider glass over there. My sister clearly hasn't moved it because there's so many spiders in my house, and specifically in my bedroom. There's probably no need to. Lots has happened this weekend. I went back to Sheffield. I didn't take my camera because I would lose it, let's be honest. Me drinking, camera, no. So I went back to Sheffield, had a really nice night out, came home yesterday and just moaned because I was so tired. I ordered this stick thing on Amazon the other day because it was like £1.50, and it's to go in my car, so I should be able to start car vlogging, which should be exciting because basically all I do is just sing, and I need to stop saying exciting. It's doing my head in, so just turn me off. So that's what I'm hanging onto the camera with at the moment. I've realised that I look like a piece of shit. It's 11:30, I've slept for 12 whole hours. This is not like me anymore. It was when I was a kid, obviously. But basically I've been so knackered this week. I don't know why. I haven't done anything. All I've done is go to work, which I don't know why that would make me feel so knackered, but apparently it has. I am going to tidy my bedroom now because if you have a look, and my bed, it looks like I've been robbed. The apocalypse is coming for my eyes. Oh, yeah. And that is the end of this week's vlog. Very sorry it's been so choppy, but that's just what's happened this week. Next week should be slightly more exciting because I've got a wedding to go to. So yeah, do the whole like and subscribe thing if you've actually liked it. You probably don't, because I get about 4 viewers on these. But yeah, so I will see you all in the next one. Bye!